Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Million Virgin, and I want to invite you to a special webinar with me to show you how I've created a $30 million company online from scratch without opening my mouth. I want to invite you and I'll let you see exactly what I've done in my business on the internet from Houston, Texas to create $30 million in 1 year. Guys, if you don't know my story, my name is Wesley Virgin, and I've been broke, I've lost my car, I've filed bankruptcy, I've lost my apartments, but I found out the secret to creating an online business and to be able to be free. In this webinar, I'm not only going to show you what I've done to build my business from scratch, but how you can build your very own internet business and without having the sacrifice and the freedom of being wherever you are around the world. Me, I have traveled the world, and in this webinar, you're going to see exactly what I've used to travel to 30 countries in 1 year. What I've used to be able to take my family on trips and on vacations around the world, but more importantly, to be free. And until I had the one breakthrough, and this is the breakthrough that I want to share with you in this webinar with me. We did over $1 million my first month on my second company, learning the breakthrough that I'm going to teach you in this webinar. I can basically live my own schedule. I can be where I want to be. I can wear what I want to wear. I'm completely living life on my own terms. And quite honestly, I got into this industry finding a mentor. And that's the same thing you guys are doing right now, finding a mentor with me. That mentor helped me to make that breakthrough, to make $1 million in that month before I never made $1,000 in this industry. My mission is to help others. My mission is to help you do the same thing that I did. I know how it feels to be broke. I know how it feels to work a 9-to-5 job. I know how it feels to have nothing, but I've figured it out. I've learned how to take techniques and strategies and to put them online and to show normal, average people like you and me how to live our dreams. Guys, you're going to see a link, and I want to invite you to a very private and exclusive webinar where I'm going to teach you step by step how to take your business online or to create something from scratch, having $0 and be able to generate income while you relax and enjoy your family.